Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you are doing great. Today I'll be creating a look for Shivratri special. So I have set my face with moisturizer prior 10 minutes before applying makeup. So we'll start the video. First I will use Lakme Absolute Undercover Gel Face Primer. It's in gel based. I'll take a small amount of it and then I will apply it on my face, especially the T-zone areas, like this. So first you need to spread in your skin and then press the primer into your skin like this. Be gentle while applying makeup. I'll be using the primer in my neck portion as well. Do not ever leave your neck areas, the corner of your face and the ears. Leave it for 10 to 15 seconds before going to the next step. Meanwhile, I'll set my hair with this cute little hairband. This one I got from Stylewiz. You can check their page. I have given the link in the description box. So the next step is the color corrector. I will not use any color corrector because I don't have that much dark circles. If you have really dark circles, then only use a color corrector before moving into the next step. Now I'll be using the concealer. I'm using Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade Light. I will apply the concealer in the corner of my eyes like this, the bridge of my nose, the center of my forehead and the chin area. Always take the amount which is required. Now I'll take a sponge or a blender. I will not use a dry sponge, so I will get the sponge wet by using a fixer spray. You can use water if you want, that will also work, but do not ever use a dry sponge. It will be very difficult to blend. So guys, I am not a makeup artist, but I love makeup and thought of sharing this video with you all. If you like this video, give a thumbs up. You can also comment, and if you want, you can share this video with your friends. If you are trying this look, please tag me on my Insta. You will get all the social media handles in the description box. I will share the product details in the description box. So guys, blending is one of the most important thing in makeup. Make sure you are blending in the correct way. Please be gentle while blending. Now I'll be applying the foundation. I'm using Maybelline New York Superstay Full Coverage Foundation in the shade 120 Classic Ivory. I will take one pump of the foundation. I will first apply the foundation on my skin with my fingers. Let me set my hair like this. Very important to cover your neck area as well, as I said in the beginning. And then I will blend it with a sponge. And we have to blend, blend and blend. Oops, I just now realized I don't have a hand mirror. I have to get one. Sorry for it guys. So I'm moving to the next step. Again, this is optional. If you want, you can contour. If you don't have to. I'm using Maybelline New York V Face Duo Stick in the shade medium. I'll do a very light contouring, guys, because I really don't do if it is not for the video. After applying the product, I will blend it with the contour brush in the upward motion. Then I'll set the face with the compact. This is one from Lakme Absolute, and I will use a very less amount of powder. Then I will set my face with a makeup fixer. So this is one of the hack which I have learned. This is really cool. It gives your face a beautiful effect and your makeup will last long. Do try it, guys, and let me know if you have tried and if this has worked for you or not. So I'll leave the face and let it dry. I have skipped the eye makeup part, otherwise the video would have been too long. So I've applied eyeshadow, liner, kajal and mascara. Now I'll be using lipstick. This is from MAC in the shade Rubio, one of our favorite, I think. Now I'm ready. So I've created two jewelry look. One is with this one. I wear bangles and this beautiful Shivratri special handmade earrings from Stylewiz. Of course a lal bindi to add. And here I am, done with the first jewelry look. Do let me know how it is. The second one is with silver replica jewelries. So this is also done, guys. Please let me know how it is. Did you like the makeup or not? If you want any particular videos, also let me know in the comment section. I will definitely try. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye. Love you all.